In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do stoichiometric calculations.
For this question, it says, what is the mass of hydrochloric acid needed to produce 22.1 grams of barium chloride according to the following equation? The first thing to do is to confirm that this equation is balanced, okay? For this particular one, it's already balanced. But now that we know that this is balanced, the next thing is to just start our calculation. So the only value they gave us is 22.1 grams of barium chloride. So we're going to start with the 22.1 grams of BaCl2. In every stoichiometric relationship, you must convert grams to mole. If it is already in moles, then you do not need any conversion. But if it is not in moles, you must convert the grams to moles before you continue. So the first thing is to convert these grams of barium chloride to moles of barium chloride. And to do that, we need the molar mass of barium chloride. I have a video on how to calculate molar masses, so please watch it so you understand how to do molar mass. So the molar mass of barium is the same as the atomic mass in the periodic table, which is 137.3, plus chlorine is 35.45 times 2, since you have 2, that will be 70.9. If we add this up, we're going to have 208.2 grams per mole. Since we want the mole of barium chloride, we're going to put the mole, this is the same thing as saying 1 mole. So the 1 mole of barium chloride, this particular mole right here, is going to be on top, okay? And then the grams is going to be below. And you're doing this because you want these 2 grams to cancel out. All right? And then we're going to have 1 mole of barium chloride left. The next step, you want to then convert the mole barium chloride to mole of hydrochloric acid, because the question is, what is the mass of hydrochloric acid? So you want to convert the mole barium chloride to mole hydrochloric acid. You have 2 moles of HCl against 1. This is empty. When it's empty, it means 1. And the HCl is going to be your priority because that's what you're trying to convert to. So it stays on top. So you're going to have 2 moles of HCl over 1 mole of the barium chloride. Okay? 1 mole BaCl2. Make sure you are canceling all the like terms on opposite side. The final step would be to convert the mole HCl to the grams of HCl. The question again is mass. Mass is in grams, okay? So how do we go from mole to grams? You also need the molar mass of HCl. So the molar mass of HCl is hydrogen would be 1.008. And then Cl is 35.45. So we add them up. That gives me a 36.458 grams per mole. Now for this one, since we want the grams, we keep the grams on top. So you're just going to have times 36.458 grams over mole of HCl. This would cancel out. And then you can see here we have grams of HCl, and that's what we want. Once you get to the point where you have the unit related to the question you are asked to solve, then you stop, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do 22.1 times 2 times 36.458, then divide that by 208.2. And the final answer to this question would be 7.74, and make sure you're keeping 3 significant figures, grams of HCl.